To set a time clock event on the eFlex time clock, press enter. First menu item is set events. Press enter again. You'll see the event number at the top. If we hit enter, we can scroll through and we'll see different entries, or in this case, after we only have 3 events, we only see 3 events, 1, 2, and 3. So we'll go in, we'll make a new entry after number 3, scroll down, and we'll pick an action. Use the up and down arrows to make those changes. You can do different presets that are recalled from the eFlex panel. The off preset, full on preset, start occupancy override, stop occupancy override, start lights out, stop lights out, start demand response. So there's several different actions that you can enter into here for a particular event. So in this case, we'll just do a simple preset to recall a preset at a certain time. Hit enter again to accept that entry. Scroll down to FlexNet ID. It'll default to all, and what this means is that this will broadcast this event out to all eFlex panels on the network. We can also specify an exact FlexNet ID where we want an event to occur. So in this case, we'll say that we want eFlex panel number 1 to get this event. Hit enter to accept the entry. Then scroll down, and then zones. This indicates that we want all 8 zones, or in a panel if it has 8 zones, or we can hit the enter key and move over to a certain zone and say no, we don't want that one included in this event. And then once we do that, we can just hit the back button, and you'll see that number 4, zone 4, is excluded from this event. We'll press enter again. Oops, sorry, back button. We'll scroll down, and now we're going to set when the event occurs. So by default, it's set to occur every day, but we can choose weekdays, weekends, or holidays based on holiday schedule, or set up custom days. In this case, we want this to come on, say, every day at a certain time. We'll turn the lights on every day, say at 7:30 a.m. So we'll press enter to accept that entry. Come down, scroll down to hour minutes, hit enter, and then we'll change this to 7:30. And we'll accept that. And of course, we want it to be AM. We would scroll down to time to change it to, say, PM, or if we're doing astronomical time scheduling, then the time before sunrise would, the hours and minutes above that would mean that this is going to occur 7 hours and 30 minutes before sunrise, or 7 hours and 30 minutes after sunrise, and same thing for before and after sunset. So we want this to go every day at 7:30 a.m. We'll press enter to accept that time, and we're done.